Look at this. I found one of the mines. The Woodpecker mine, baby. Alright. Look at this. Oh boy, why do I do this? I always put myself in crazy situations. They be walking up. Alright. Man, it looks so far away. Mountain way back there. That's where we're headed into. Until you get to the mountain, which we're going into. What is it? The Woodpecker mine. Nice little hilly hill going down. Ooh. Bet you anything there's gonna be a cow somewhere around here. Oh wow, look at this. I just seen a deer. Look at that. Probably can't see him. Seen the deer, homie. That was cool. What? I was gonna talk about seeing a cow. I seen a deer, baby. There's an owl. Uh-oh. Nice hilly hill. Get this line. Oh, wrong line. But we'll take it. Jeepers. That's steep right here. Make sure we get that turn in. Don't go off the little cliff part. Whew. Oh, look at this. Big old tanker. Oh, squirrel. Good old, wow, that was cool. Alright, time to choose our line. Really hope nobody's coming around these corners. I don't think so. Wow, look at this. Yeah, I didn't see nobody out here. Nobody was parked at the staging area. So, I think I really am solo out here. Well, looks like we're about to start this big old hill. I don't know if we want to do it in second or first. I'm gonna try it in second. Hopefully we don't go down. Ooh. Nope, we need to go first. Oh man, this thing's steep. Uh-oh. Woo-hoo. Oh. All right. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Wow, that was a hill. Oh man, I almost. Ooh, this is steepy. Wow. Oh. Ooh, wow. Whoa. Okay. Watch our line. Choose wisely. Jesus. We are. Okay. Whew. Dude. Wow. This is steep. Wow. Oh, and I gotta come back up that. This is gonna be bad. Whew. Oh man. Wow. Oh wow. Whew. Oh goodness. God, these are some pretty steepy spots right there. Wow, look at that. I'll say it's a decent right here, but let's, oh my God. Do I gotta, oh, I gotta go down that. Oh God, okay. This, you know what I mean? Wow. This is steep. Oh God, it just goes down. Steepy down. Woo-hoo. Woo. Okay, oh wow. Rocks. Steep. Drop off rocks. Oh. Which side do we want to take? I guess we're taking this side. Oh man. Freak. This is steep. Very steep. Dude, I gotta come back up this. What the heck, dude? Are you getting yourself into? Oh my God, dude, this is gonna be bad, ain't it? Ah. Dude, this is crazy steep, man. Oh. Okay. Talk about arm pump, dude. That's like leg pump. Whew. Alright, we gotta find a little shade. Cool this bike down. I know I go through that way. But where's a good shady spot? Oh, you're a little warm. Come through this way. Ooh. Look at this. Look at the little flowers coming out the middle of the wash. Wow! Ruh-roh. Looks like here's the start of that Ajax mine, the upper Woodpecker. Oh, this thing is rated a 7 out of 10 from some people. So hopefully it ain't too crazy right here at the beginning. Got it marked out what it looked like was the mine. I'm not 100% sure, so we'll see once we get there. I think this is where I was just looking at on top of that hill. I'm gonna come down, I'm gonna go by them cows in that little cattle thingy in the little chill spot. We are in the wash for sure. Oh, there comes some rocky stuff. Oh great, here comes the technical rocky stuff. Which way do we want to go? Whew. Oh, whew. Big rocks, big chunky rocks. Oh. I'm really hoping pick our lines wisely. We can get up this pretty easy. Whew. Oh God, this stuff likes to beat ya. Oh man, oh! Get around that bush. Uh-oh. Super rocky. Oh, wow. That did not sound good. What was that? Oh, yeah. Woo. Whew. Oh, all right. Oh. This is some rocky technical stuff here. Uh-oh. Choose wisely, Daniel. Uh-oh. Definitely don't want to go up that. Or that. Or that. So we gotta turn it that way. Alright. Alrighty. Hit a little technical spot. A little sandy to the rock. Hopefully. We just roll right up it. Whew. This poor bike is probably heated. Ooh. Boy, these are some crazy wash rocks. All right. Whew. Whew. All right, nice little break right there. Look at this view though. That thing is gorgeous in the little canyon. Be awesome. Well, wouldn't it be awesome to be in the flash flood, but when the river or the water starts coming through here, that'd be pretty cool. But we gotta go. This is a nice little rock obstacle. Jesus, I don't know. Let's try this way. Ooh, man, good thing for that engine guard. Oh, please don't tell me. Look at this. Oh, goodness. It would get crazy right there, wouldn't it? I think that's where I was supposed to go up. So, that thing is ridiculous. I'm gonna go right next to it though, which is half ridiculous. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a start. I don't know. Give me a lot of tire spin. Here we go. Woohoo! All right, baby. Do a little exploring this way. Hopefully. Oh, shiz. Shoot. Oh boy, why do I do this? I always put myself in crazy situations. They be walking up. Whew. And hopefully it don't get more crazy than this. Whew. Oh boy. Nice little rocky hill again. Wow. This thing sure gonna test my skills, ain't ya? Holy moly. I don't know which way. Oh, great. We found one. Woohoo! Wow, that was crazy. Wow, all right. Look at this. That is a mine shaft. Whew. Crazy. The moon ski. Ah! Huh? Look at this. I found one of the mines. The Woodpecker mine, baby. All right. Look at this.